I'd like to highlight that our course is introduction because we have not much time during this week. We are working only 2.5 hours per day, and the 12 hours is not enough to cover all topics. So this is kind of introduction course to craft. I'd like to say a few words about the craft development. Changing climate conditions and increasing food demand in the world requires improved climate risk management based on agricultural decision support systems to aid with the appropriate selection practices and strategies. And crop models can play important role in this and can be used for yield forecasting, as well as risk analysis and assessment. Back in 2012, CGR program on climate change, agriculture, and food security conducted workshop in Sri Lanka to review and make research on yield forecasting tools in order to facilitate research and implementation of crop forecasting that would be targeted researchers and operational institutions. As outcome of this workshop, it was concluded that it's necessary to develop a new special decision support system for short and long-term yield forecasting, agricultural risk analysis associated with increasing climate variability, extreme events, as well as a climate change. That would be also accessible, that means free, open source, adaptable to support multiple crop models and various input data sets, and based on partnership between CCAFS, Asia Research Center, Washington State University, and University of Florida, CRAFT was developed. CRAFT is a desktop computer based on computer-based decision support system for yield forecasting, agricultural risk analysis.
Are you using a presentation? You are not showing your screen.
Wow, sorry. 1 second. I forgot to check with you on this, and thank you reminding me more about it.
Okay, no problem. Someone actually put it in the chat. All right, great. We can see your screen right now.
You see the presentation, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let me show slides as it was not recorded. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one, I stopped. So CRAFT is a framework for running multiple crop simulation models under one unified user interface that allows special aggregation, and it works also 2 resolutions, 5 arc minute, that's 0.083 degree, 30 arc minute, that's 0.5 degree. On the algorithms with the case study, we published in the Journal of Environmental Modeling and Software in 2019 with co-authors, and some more details that we'll not cover in during our training, specifically on the algorithms, you can check in this publication. As you can see, it can be downloaded from the DSSAT.net. We did it yesterday. It can be freely downloaded from there. Few words about architecture overview of Craft and modules and consists. So Craft has consists of user-friendly client application. You see this on the right side here. It has the MySQL database because we are working with the large data sets. We will be creating projects, runs, etc. And in order to keep all this large amount of data, we need database like MySQL. And GIS map object. In order to receive the final results as map, we have this open source component implemented in Craft. You can see it here on the screen. This is how the final results will be presented. You will see the boundary. In this case, is the subnet boundary. See the grid covers this boundary, and then results reflected on this. So everything is done by using this GIS map object. As I mentioned, we have the central relational database management system. Craft consists various modules. It has also the external engines, one crop engine to work with crop models, and another CPT engine that works with the climate predictability tool. Main crop engine is DSSAT, but using AGME data translation tools, crop engine allows to work with other crop simulation models as well. How crop engine is working? So we have the project. Project covers certain boundary. As we are talking about grid simulation, this is the grid that covers this boundary, this shape. Craft Toolbox process each cell one by one. So it takes information per each grid cell, sends request to the database. Database returns data related to cell ID. It goes to Craft Toolbox back. Craft Toolbox creates various objects that contain cell information, weather data, field data, etc., including the management option. This information will be completed project run related inputs, additional information. Crop engine runs crop model, gets simulation results, and returns these results to the Craft Toolbox again that gives all information back to the database. So this process is repeated sequentially, cell by cell, as I already mentioned. In order to make installation process more convenient, because there is one side, that's the application itself, database, MySQL, that requires the server installation, database installation. There is a map in GIS object additionally. There are some other additional softwares we will install later today as well. To handle all this, we have the Craft installation tool, and we yesterday first installed Craft installation tool, and then we used this in order to install, in some cases, Craft prerequisites, then Craft database, and finally Craft Toolbox. basic concepts related to grid simulations. Those are grids and reference grids, boundaries and schematization, schema generation, and upload. How works gridded crop simulation? So we have this certain area in this boundary provided by shapefile. We cover this by the grid. This is the grid. Grid consists from cells, and from each grid cell, we have two related data. This is the grid cell ID, and I will shortly explain how we are getting that. And we also need the coordinate, latitude, longitude, center of this grid. In order to get the grid cell ID per area of interest, we have reference grids, two of them, one at 5 arc-minute resolution and another 30 arc-minute resolution. This here is the 5 arc-minute resolution, old grid. And in order to get the cell IDs, we are numbering each grid cell, starting from left top corner from here, and moving right. And again, left to right, and the corresponding generated table that contains cell IDs, latitude, longitude of each grid cell center, and some additional information we are keeping in the CRAFT database as a reference table that contains all that information. So that's the reference grids. This is example how it looks like when we export it to the text file. This example at 5 arc-minute resolution, you see cell ID, and those numbers are cell ID. Then we have the latitude, longitude, elevation, and area all per grid cell. Now, in order to get the grid cell IDs per area we are using so-called schematization process. That means that CRAFT internally generates grid cell IDs per shape we have. So we have this certain area given by the shapefiles, GIS shapefiles provided for that area. Using that shapefile, reference grid we have, and ArcGIS program, ArcMap, we are generating for each grid cell those cell IDs. Those cell IDs are generated up to 3 levels. For example, level 1 can be country. Level 2 can be state, provinces, this country. Level 3, it might be districts. Not necessary to those shapefiles matched with administrative boundaries. You can create custom shapefiles. And you can do the similar relations between levels. And then again can be generated level 1, level 2, level 3 schema files. Each schema file again will contain cell IDs, latitude, longitude, area, elevation might be elevation as well. In this case, you can see that There is a special resolution 5-minute. We have country, in this case Bangladesh. This is the schema in Bangladesh. Data exporting from the CRAFT database and provided as a text file. One state. And district in that state. You can see here that it contains 139 grid cells. So in order to make this schematization, current version of CRAFT, which is 3.4.1, requires to have ArcMap, ArcGIS program, but we are working on the new release of the CRAFT, maybe month or two will take for additional testing. And with along with different improvements, we implemented R script, GIS functions from our libraries that allows use open libraries like R in order to generate schemas. So you will not be required to have ArcGIS in that case in your system. That's very general information about CRAFT. Before we will go to the graded data sets, etc., we first need to work with schemas, generate schema, etc., and we will start this process shortly. After I will make a review of CRAFT interface as well. I will do that right now. As you all have installed CRAFT, it is time to check and see what functionalities we have there. When you run CRAFT, you will get this first window with terms of use. You need to accept this one, and that's the so-called main window or home page for CRAFT. CRAFT, as I mentioned, is a Windows application. It works with .NET libraries from Microsoft. And the window structure is similar as you have seen in many Windows applications. We have the main menu. Screen contains two parts. This is first one that will contain, after you will have the project's basic information about project. And in the second part here, you will see 5 last projects. Currently, we have not any project, so those information is not provided. But later you will see how we can fill those in. Projects, and we will check how project can be created here. This is one option, create new project. We can do the project creation here as well. Select, create, such project related. So this allows to come to this window, home. Data, we will use for importing datasets, various datasets. Mainly selecting this option, user. And after you select special resolution, you will get chance to upload different datasets. We will start with this one, schema. We will talk schema generation again shortly. Then weather, soil, crop mask, crop variety mask. If you have the management information, fertilizer related or irrigation, etc., those comes later. Observable data, field history, etc. We will touch those topics during our course. Some information can be entered from here, define inputs directly from the interface. There are differences between two. I will explain that one as well. Out of project run, we are getting options to run crop model, apply calibration, or make climate forecast. We'll cover those topics as well. And finally, we can see the results from this option. Currently, we have no run, accordingly, no results, so no display results. And we have here configuration option as well. We use this option in order to generate schema or reload cultivar related, cultivar variety related data, or related soil profile related data. As you can see, interface is very intuitive, quite simple. More tasks will show up. How you will proceed certain options in the menu. So during the exercises and working with the data inputs, we will cover those options as well. So this is what I wanted to say about basic information behind graph functionality and about the interface. Please remember that in order to generate schema for the current version, you need to have ArcGIS ArcMap on your computer. Because currently in this interface, only available, as you can see, certain countries. And in order that your area of interest showed up here, we need to generate schema, work with shapefiles, and then it will go up. Now, before we will start working with schemas, shapefiles, uploading and bringing here area of interest, if you have any questions or any requests, please ask now or otherwise we will move to our topic. Please feel free, ask anything you would like regarding topics I just covered.
Hello, I have
Yeah.
a question.
Yes, please.
When you were talking earlier about the craft, you made mention of 30 minutes resolution and 5-minute resolution.
Yes.
But the only option we have here is a 5-minute resolution.
Yeah, this is because mostly people require as final resolution 5 arc-minute, that's 10 by 10. 30 kilometer is about 50 by 30 arc-minute is about 50 by 50. So it is not activated actually, but we can activate that one as well. So everything is in database, but currently it's activated is 5-minute arc resolution. If you are interested in that one, we can activate that one as well.
Oh, I'm okay. I just wanted to know why that option isn't there.
Yeah. It is simply not activated in this one.
Oh, okay.
Do you prefer to work with the 30 arc-minute resolution or 5 arc-minute resolution? Which one is preferable? Because people are required more final resolution, even 1 kilometer, but we have 10. That's fixed fixed resolutions. Unfortunately, you can make it variable in current implementation. So it is fixed. We have 5 and 30. 5 is active currently. That's 10 by 10 kilometer grid cell size.
I think the final, the resolution, people would prefer a final resolution.
Yes, that's better. Yeah, because currently all data sets, for example, soil data sets at that time was at resolution 10 by 10 kilometer. Now you can get at 1 kilometer and even more final resolution. Mainly it was related with the soil, 3D soil data set availability. Okay, is there anything you want to ask me again regarding this topic? Okay, then
I think we should go on.
Yeah. Okay, then let's move to schema. Now I have one more question. Please run craft. Run craft. Then go to project. Create. Select resolution. Five minutes. Then look on the drop-down list here. And tell me if you see the CMDT in that list.
India. Yes, it's there.
Please.
Sorry, do you have it?
Yeah, no, I don't have it. CMDT. No, I don't have it. I only have the one.
What about
shift
what
country.
about others?
I also don't
I
have it.
also don't have it.
Okay. That's what I wanted to clarify. Okay. Now on Google Drive, let me stop sharing of my screen 1 second. Okay, please go to the Google Drive where we have share folder.
The link to the drive, we drop it now in the chat. So the link is on the chat to the drive. Yes, Sheila, we are in the drive now.
I just uploaded the craft schema RAR archive. Please download that one. You will see. Can you see this craft schema.rar? This file?
Yeah, it's there. So we should just download that.
That one. Please download this one.
Okay.
And yeah, download. Put it in our temporary folder.
Mhm.
To our temporary folder. And extract it there.
Okay.
Extract here.
Download. Open, download files. Why?
After extracting, you should get this folder. You see, craft schema. Open that one. It contains 3 folders. Level 1, level 2, level 3 accordingly.
Hello?
Yep.
Please, we are currently not, you're not sharing your screen.
Thank you. You can see right now, right? So craft schema. Three folder inside. And each folder contains 2 folders. One is called schema, another shape. Schema, shape. Second level, again, schema, shape. Third one, schema, shape. Lori, you see my screen, right?
Yes, I can see it. I'm trying to download. Not responding for me. I don't know why. But I'm trying to download it.
So in temporary, you have this craft schema folder and you see this one inside. Right now. Okay, now let me run ArcMap.
I'm having an error downloading this.
Yeah, this is ArcMap. Level 1 shape folder contains shape files. I will bring one of them. This is custom shape file. It contains several states from Mali joined as one. We call it SCMDT. I'm using this as example. So when you right click here and look on attribute table, the attribute table, this is standard shapefile. Only difference is that at the end, we need to add field. Actually, two fields. One is field named level 1 name, and second object ID.
I don't know if it's me alone, Celia, but I'm having a HTTP error when I try to download. Is everybody able to download the file?
Yeah.
People are downloaded this file. You've downloaded yours?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Oh, great, great.
Yes.
Okay then.
Yeah,
Oh, fine. Beautiful.
yeah, try
Okay,
again.
so it's my fault, so it's okay. I'll have to find a way around it.
Yeah, try.
No. Sorry, Doc. I also have that an error that says there are no data on the archives of that file. I am trying to extract. I don't know whether it's my computer or what, but I'm trying to.
Try to download it again. This is the on Google Drive, the same folder we are using. Should be nothing limiting if you are using the correct link. You see this folder?
Yes, no,
Yeah.
I see that.
This is our share folder. We are downloading from there what we need. So download this one again. Might be problem happened after downloading. This is small file, not the big one. That's key. Okay, let me continue. So this level 1 shapefile should contain two fields, level 1 name and object ID, and we are adding this manually. I've already added, and one is called CMDT, and another has just value 1. The rest, just standard file that comes from this shapefile. See, this is Mali. We just modified this file as we wanted. Let me show the second level. Again, level 2 contains this shapefile here. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different states in this file. Let me open attribute table. And again, this file should contain, and we need to do this ourselves in this version, but in the new version we are working, and it will be available shortly, and I will notify and I will provide that one. This process, adding those fields, will be done automatically. When you have shapefiles, this will do everything, and then that will be much easier. So currently we need to do this manually in this version 3.4.1. So in order to work with the second level, we should add one more field. So level 1 name, and we need to repeat CMDT as many times as we have the second level, kind of relational tables. And the level 2 names should be given here, 5. And object ID, just put zeros. That's the level 2. And again, I'll go to the next level, level 3, shape. I will take the shapefile, this one. This is the third level. I will open the attribute table. Go to the end. You see, level 1 should present here the same value, CMDT is top level. Then level 2, those 5 regions will be repeated depending how many districts they have. And the level 3 name contains districts for each of them. Again, we need to do this for this version manually, and object ID can be just 0. So standard operation with ARC, using ArcMap with shapefile, just adding field and entering some values. And those values should be in relational. So CMDT top level, then comes, for example, FANA, one value, FANA, another value, again, FANA, another value, FANA, how many districts it has, and so on and so forth. How to do this process also described in the manuals. Remember, we have the manuals and there is a craft user manual, and there is a chapter in that user manual. Chapter 9, schema generation and uploading schema. Now, using ArcMap and ArcGIS, this process takes a time. Because of this, I am providing ready craft schema file for this region, for CMDT. Cloud schema, see? That already contains generated schema files. First one, at first level, 5 minutes CMDT. Let me open this one. I'm using Notepad++. That's the information it contains. Cell ID that falls in this region, then share percent. Per each cell, it's calculated share percent because shape, in some cases, especially borders, have part of the entire, not entire grid cell, but part of it, and it calculates the share percent. Totally, it contains, as you can see, 1,380 grid cells. This one. Similarly, we have the schema generated at second level. I will open just one of them. That's the cell ID, share percent. In this case, it contains 500. And let's check third level. Again, schema. I will open first one. That's the cell ID information. And in this case, we have 120 cells. In new version, this process is also much faster to compare with the ArcGIS. We will try this to generate schema for smaller example. I will provide that one shortly. But right now, we need to do the following. On C drive, there is a CCAFS toolkit folder. After you install Craft, you will get this folder, CCAFS toolkit. Open this folder and put that folder I provided, Craft schema, here. Copy from temporary to here. Structure should be always same. Folder name should be Craft schema. It should contain 3 levels. Each level should have 2 folders, schema and shape. Schema and shape in each folder. Even though you might don't have third level, these 2 folders should be inside. Or if you don't have second level as well, still those folders should be there, but they will be empty. Okay. Right now, for this case, we are skipping this process. Then you go to configuration and you are generating schema. So in order to generate schema, those files should be here. And as a result of generation, one second, schematization, you will get those files, schema files, after generation. That's the half of the process. Yep, I'm listening.
Hello.
Yes.
Oh, initially I couldn't find the toolkit, but I'm okay now. So maybe you can start from after finding the toolkit.
You mean this one?
Yes. So
Craft
after,
interface? Yep. You have shortcut on screen, right? Craft. Just run that one and it will run. You need to run craft. You are saying CCAFS toolkit folder?
yeah, it's okay now. I've already found it.
Yeah, it should be as an installation. You will get on C drive several folders, and one of them is CCAFS toolkit. Additionally, you might remember that we installed the map.win.js component. It's here in the folder. We installed also the DSSAT 7 folder. It's here. You also will have the craft automation, installation of the craft installation tool. And there is one additional folder also associated with craft. This is CPT that contains climate predictability tool and the associated file. Additionally, in program files 86, you have the CCAFS folder, Alta craft installation tool. This is the craft installation tool. And you also have here craft folder that contains craft toolbox files and folders. And shortly we will use this one, shape input. Okay. Now everyone, did you put the CCAFS in the CCAFS folder, this folder, craft schema? I assume yes. Then additionally, I will share some more files in a second. Please download from a shared Google Drive folder, shapeinput.rar, shapeinput.rar. And extract it in temporary folder. In our temporary WS temp, extract it there. Everyone with me? Shape input, extract, keep in temporary. Let's look what is there. This is there, you see. There is a files, shape files for level 1, level 2, level 3. And each file starts with 0500, 0500. I will copy all those files. All those files. I will copy program file 86. Program files 86. You remember there is a folder craft toolbox and shape input. I will copy those here. Everyone is with me? So I copied those files that I provided here. Program files 86, craft toolbox, shape input. This shape input folder contains all shape files related to countries and levels that are listed here in craft interface. So some of them was already there. And when you are generating schema, then this automatically will show up here. But we are not doing generation process, right? Because it takes time, we don't have, and I just provided for, we will do this for smaller region shortly. Those files will be here and etc. But we did this right now manually.
Sorry, shall I have a question?
Yes.
Yes, when I try to paste those files on the craft, it says some files, I think they are already there, because I think I've created the schemas before. Would it not affect the schemas that I've created before?
In the database that I provided to you, that I created myself to have some data already prepared, that's not the original database, empty database with craft. There are some information already there. Okay.
Or is it fine if I replace the existing one?
So you are saying you already have the 0500?
Yes, because I got a notification message that says the file's destination is the same names.
Yeah. Can you share your screen and show me? Just share your screen and show me that folder, the destination folder, shape input. Toolbox, shape input. Scroll down.
You can see this message.
Close that message, or just keep that. Oh, stop. Okay, scroll down. I see those files. Okay, then do not replace. Actually, they might be same, but do not replace just right now. Close that one, that window. Okay, run craft and show the craft interface in your case. Select country. Somehow I don't see this. Okay. Do you have ArcMap?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
Okay, can you run and just bring the from here, from this folder, shape input, craft toolbox. one shapefile just to look at it. Run ArcMap and just drop the one shapefile to, as I did. Found that one. I just want to make sure those are same or not.
Okay.
So everyone did what I just did. I just provided craft schema. I put it in CCAFS toolkit. I also provided shapefiles and I asked to put it in this folder because all countries, districts, etc. should be in that folder shaping. Drag and drop one shape. Beta level 1. Level 1 is that one, yep. Go up level 1. Okay, that seems something different. Right click and show me what it is. Right click. Right click.
This one is, I think it's a shapefile for South Africa, this one, because I've created it before.
Okay, then it's okay. Okay. Close that one. Close that one. Then just not to lose your shapefile that you created before, just copy those files in separate folder and then replace. 05, starting 05, those one.
Should I copy them here?
All that starts with 0500, all 3 levels.
These ones?
All of them. Yep, all 3 levels. Yep. Copy somewhere and then replace. Let's create you can copy in temporary folder, just create new folder, call it South Africa or whatever, and you copy them. Temp. Create new folder. Copy there, and whenever you'd like, then you can bring it back. Okay, good. Now you can replace.
Okay.
Now you can replace there and those one copy inside. Continue. You can close craft. Might be your craft application. Or that one, because you are replacing some files and it might be titled with the interface. The destination folder access denied. Try it again. Just close that one that we know and repeat it again. And stop sharing. Okay, after you did this operation first, you put the shapefile, you have this one in CCAFS toolkit folder. craft schema. We will upload schemas into craft database. Let me share my screen. Here, my screen. You can see my screen, right? This is the craft interface. I put the craft schema here in CCAFS toolkit folder. This already contains schema files at each level. So what I need to do, select data, import, user, we are in upload. Screen and functionality. Select resolution 5. Data type. Schema. We need to upload schema. Then select level. See, there are 1, 2, 3. Select level 1 first. Now we need to select the folder, craft schema. So browser. You have it in CCAFS toolkit folder. CCAFS toolkit folder here. Select craft schema. CCAFS toolkit, craft schema. Click OK. And you should have similar screen. Data type as schema. Level type, level 1. Special resolution 5. And select folder should be CCAFS toolkit craft schema. And click upload. Click upload. I've already done this, so I will not repeat here, but you need to click upload. And you might get some, I expect some error message that we will fix shortly.
Come in. Indot. Yeah, mobility. Wangena sasa. Uzala.
Okay, please let me know. Let me know. Please let me know what you see on your screen when you click upload. Or share your screen with me.
Hello,
Yes.
I got an error message.
Yeah. Can you show me that one? Yeah, I know. Where about it? Let me
Can he show the screen?
stop sharing and show me a screen. Yeah, please share your screen. We are waiting.
Can you share the screen? Is it sharing it?
Jacob, okay, good. Well, I think you, this is not that one I expected.
yeah.
Click OK.
Hello,
You,
Bhagtan.
1 second, even 1 second, please.
Okay.
Click OK. You see, it says you have not selected folder. You see? Click OK here. Jacob, click OK. Now you see file upload, select folder. I don't see anything there. Select folder. In browser, file upload, you see? Okay. Go to CCAFS toolkit folder on C drive. CCAFS toolkit. CRAD schema, and okay. No, you are not selecting levels, CRAD schema direct. Okay, stop. So that's what you needed to indicate. Do you remember I put CRAD schema in that folder? And before starting upload, I indicated where is the select folder option. So this was missing. But you will get some errors right now with that will fix. Click upload. Stop. That's the message we need to fix right now. Now let me share my screen and explain what we need to do in this case. So that's the MySQL issue, and in user manual, you might see my screen. In a user manual, there is a chapter 17, general troubleshooting. And in this chapter, it is described how it can be resolved. See? Now we will do this together. In order to access that file, it is my.ini file. You need to stop MySQL service running. Go here, service, print service, select services, that's the services window. All services that runs under my Microsoft Windows system are here. Let's go to MySQL, it's running. Let's stop it temporarily. You might need to close this window, Craft as well. Just stop this service, stop. Then go to the program data folder, which is hidden folder, program data. Program. I will print in title here, and it will show up here. Program data. And here is the MySQL folder. Let's open it, MySQL Server 5.7, and file my.ini. Open this file. I'm opening it with Notepad++. Scroll down. And here is the line that we need to edit. this line. Now in new version that will be released shortly, this also fixed. So you don't need to do this. So you don't need to do this manually. So I will copy this line, just copy a second line. And it should be empty. The text that's behind those brackets, it should be empty. Just delete this way. And put the comment symbol. This is the comment, pound symbol, comment, for the actual line that was there. Just comment that line. This is the new line there, and save. So instead of this CQF file contained that line, program data, etc. uploads, it should be empty. And save. Save, close. And when you're done and you closed, then restart. Right click, MySQL start. So my ini file was fixed, MySQL was restarted, and then run craft and try upload. Try upload schema. So we are coming here, data, import, user, and selecting resolution, data type, schema, level 1. I'm indicating craft schema folder location. That's CCAFS toolkit, craft schema folder. Okay. And click upload. So that message should go on. It will start upload, and it might take a couple of minutes, might be 4 or 5 minutes, because thousands of cells are there, and it needs to upload it in database.
Sheila, there's a comment in the chat. Can you take a look?
Yep, 1 second. Let me share. Let's see. Let me go to Cyril first. Cyril, could you please share your screen quickly?
Yeah, Sheila.
Share your screen, Cyril.
Okay.
Sabella, you will be next.
So in this folder,
Mm-hmm.
I don't have the
You don't have, but
craft.
yeah,
The craft schema.
yeah, did you download it?
Yeah, did I take it? I have already
Yes.
downloaded it. Yeah.
Copy.
Did I copy here?
Yes.
Okay.
Copy that one to
Do I
CCAFS
copy?
toolkit.
Okay. Thank you.
Just show me what you have there. Just go there, copy here. Okay, show me the content.
Yeah.
Yeah, show content. Okay, show level 1. Show schema. Okay, good. Show me the next level. Next level. Okay, good. Now go to craft quickly. Okay, good. Good. Go to craft. Level
Hello,
1.
Patrick.
1 second. Level 1. Level type. Level type.
You see the gap application, the one they are using for PFJ. Which programming language did they use to do it?
1 second. You have not selected type. Serial.
What?
Okay.
Okay.
So everything that has the red star asterisk should be selected. Now select the folder.
Okay.
Toolkit. CCAFS toolkit. Craft schema. Okay. Okay. Now before you click upload, did you make change for my ini as I did right now?
What?
I edited my ini file for the known issue that is provided in the. Okay, just click upload.
Okay.
You have not done, I think. Yep. For this, I did just fix that and showed how it needs to be done. This issue. Click OK. Okay. Click OK. Close craft. You see type here to search in Windows. There is a taskbar, type here to search. Quickly.
What?
Taskbar in Windows, you have type here to search. Print there, service. Okay, it's there on top. You see, select services. It showed up already on top.
Yeah.
Yep. MySQL. You can print my and it goes there. MY.
In?
You can print MY on press on keyboard and it will go there. MY. Okay. Right click.
Hello, Patrick.
Top. No. Okay. Keep this window open. Do not touch.
MongoDB.
Go to C
Thank you.
drive. C drive. Go to C drive.
Where?
C drive. C. Program data. MySQL. MySQL server. Select the my unified, that one, my. Right click. Open in Notepad or Notepad++.
Here.
Open with
Okay. Open with.
Notepad. Maximize window. Scroll down. A little more. Stop.
Where?
Stop. Now you see line secure file priv. Secure file.
See. Here.
Yep. Next line. Secure file priv. Copy that line. Entire line. Copy.
Okay.
Copy as a next line.
Copy.
As a next line. Copy as a next line.
I paste here.
Yes. Okay.
Like this.
Okay, good. Now remove everything that is in brackets. Starting content. Yep, good. Delete. It should be empty. Delete.
Like this.
Correct. Now, instead of the original one, put in front of the original one in the first, put pound. First position, first position pound to comment it. In order to comment the original line, put pound symbol. Or just delete the previous one, previous line, delete.
This line.
Delete, yeah, delete it. Save. And close.
I can close.
Yeah, save and close.
Save, okay.
Close.
Okay.
Now go to the window that is you have opened and start MySQL service. You have services window opened already. Start MySQL. Right. Start. Good. You can close it now. Run craft and repeat the process. Run craft. Data. Put user. Schema. 5. Select resolution.
It's take time. Not responding.
Good. Upload. Okay. Stop sharing.
Thank you.